How to make face drop effect in Photoshop. Add image. Click select, click subject. Make a copy. Click fill and adjustment layer, then click solid color. Add a black background. Make a copy. Click Photoshop eraser, then eraser half face. Click filter, then click liquify. Make a drop effect. Open layer style. Click satin. Choose red color. Opacity 66%. Right-click, then click merger layer. Click text. Write a text. Make a text copies. Select all layer, right-click. Click Convert to Smart Object. Right-click, then click Merger Layer. Opacity 54%. Open layer style. Click drop shadow. Choose white color. Adjust shadow. Select all layer, right-click, then click Merge Layers. Click Fill and Adjustment Layer, then click Color Lookup. Choose LUT. Select all layer, right-click, then click Merge Layers. Click Filter, then click Add Noise. Amount 17.24%. Image is done.